Hi, I'm Jonathan Paula, and welcome to Solutions Review Explores. In this special episode, we won't be examining a category of enterprise technology, but instead walking you through the process of using one of our most popular buyer's resources, the Solutions Review Vendor Map. A companion resource to our collection of downloadable buyer's guides, the Solutions Review Vendor Map features an at-a-glance reference for the top providers in a particular technology category, the solutions they offer, and the markets they address. Our vendor map is the perfect tool to use during the research and discovery phase of evaluating enterprise software. Like Gartner's Magic Quadrant, each Solutions Review vendor map features a visual aid to assist you in your search. Providers on the outside of the diagram tend to offer highly specialized point solutions in those markets, while vendors towards the center offer more comprehensive platforms, which address multiple needs, but may not do so with the same depth and granularity as point solution providers. The vendor map enables you to map your use case against a field of solution providers to help identify which product is right for you. Say you're looking for data management software, and you already have a point solution like MapR for analytics-focused data management. You can then map your organization's future goals, and if one of them is to add data quality capabilities to your environment, SAP may be worth a more detailed exploration. Each vendor map also comes complete with an introduction to the category, as well as a history of the space and a detailed explainer about each of the subcategories covered in the graphic. Information for the vendor map is gathered via a meta-analysis of online materials and reports, conversations with vendor representatives, and examinations of product demonstrations and free trials. But for more information, please check them out for yourself, available exclusively at solutionsreview.com, link in the description below. That does it for this video, but please click the links on screen now if you'd like to watch some related content. My name is Jonathan Paula. Thanks for watching.